Hello, I'm back in the twirling bedroom with a little tip, a little drill for you guys to try, no matter what your level is. It's interesting and it takes a bit of coordination to get used to. Doing your flat fingers down and up is a simple and regular way to warm up your fingers. But to warm up your brain as well, I suggest that you stop at the top. Hold on, there's a school bus going by. And go completely reversed from the top to the bottom. So now I'm doing flat reverse fingers. Not only is it a good drill for your brain and your fingers, but you can actually utilize it within your routines to make something unique rather than continuing to do the same thing that we've done since 1949. So here's the other hand. Regular flat fingers, and then at some point I'm going to stop it and I'm going to go absolutely the reverse direction, making it possible to utilize body work and spinning positions that you normally wouldn't do with a flat finger that you're only spinning in one direction. Try it.